Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I would like to show a small TEMU order that I received a couple days ago, and I just really wanted to show them because there's one painting that I really love and I want to see what it looks like. And a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. So the first painting I want to show is this one, and it's a cat. It's always cats with me. So majority of my paintings, if you're familiar with my channel, I love cats. I own a cat, so majority of my paintings always have a cat or two, depending on what the painting looks like. So let me just unfurl it real quick. Whoops, I believe I might be pulling the plastic. Sometimes they do stick because the glue, as you can see, sticks with the canvas. Let me just press the plastic back, and there you go, it's good to go. And these are the diamonds, and these is the standard tray. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, usually all diamond paintings always come with a tray, especially with TEMU painting. They always come with a standard tray, a wax, and a pen. And all you do is pour the diamonds into the tray. As you can see, the little grid helps organize them, so when you're picking on them or picking them up, you would get the pen, put it in, place it in the wax, place it on the diamond, place it on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And in case you break it or lose the tray, don't worry, your next painting will have one. They always have your back no matter what. And these are the diamonds. And the first color I spotted is that really pretty violet purple and the dark teal in the back. Really love the whole different colors of these. A dark coral color, nice little eggplant color there. Oh my goodness, I really like these colors. And this is the painting. As I said, it's a cat. It's a cat, a little kitty cat, just looking to the side, and it has kind of like a prismatic rainbow color effect on it. As you can see, it does have a black background, but it really helps popping out the color, so it kind of promote it a bit so you can see it better. Oh, this is so pretty. I really loved when I saw this image. I'm a big fan of the colors, the image of the cat. I cannot wait to see what this one looks like kitted. Well, worked up. And let me just correct it a bit. As you can see, there's some creases in the painting, and that's just normal whenever, as you saw, it was kind of rolled up a bit. Whenever you receive them in they come in little plastic packets, which I remove before recording so you don't hear the crinkling of all the packets while I'm removing them out. I'm just kind of rolling it up a bit. There you go, just to get some of the creases, and there you go. As you can see, the creases kind of diluted a bit, but I keep everything in portfolio, so after a while, once I actually pull this painting to actually work on it, the creases will go away. So it does take a bit, but they do start going away. And so some information about the painting: it is NO675 and is a 20 by 20, and it is 16 colors. I kind of can see that, since there's a lot of different, so pretty much rainbow spectrum of the colors. I knew coming in it's a lot of black for the background, so I forgive you, Mr. Painting. And as well, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen, so in case you want to see it more clearly, and maybe a cute little kitty cat is more your style. So I'm going to put this aside real quick. And this is my next painting. So usually this style I don't really, well, sorry, these images I don't usually purchase, but I fell in love when I saw how clear it was. So, and you'll see it in a moment. And as well, standard tray. And these are the diamonds. Oh, these are in Ziploc bags. I love when they come in these because I don't use the Ziploc bags when I diamond paint. I kit them up into another containers that I use, but I do save the Ziploc bags. They're really sturdy and really good at, especially if you're storing any smaller items. I'm a big fan of them. I never throw them away. I always find a use for them because that's just how I am. And I always love the little diamond shapes. Some of the Ziploc bags, as these, as you can see, have the little diamond shapes. So I really like that. And there are a good number of diamond painters that love this style because you can just automatically just pick a color and start working on the painting. So this is all right to use as well. And you can see, oh my goodness, I love all the colors. They're kind of earthy tone a bit, which is really bright orange here, little dark brown there, the dark green. Oh, it's such earthy tones. I really like these colors. And this is the image. It's a little, I want to say a dream catcher, but I might not be, because it looks like a mirror. And it has all these beautiful little daisies and just wildflowers hanging off of it with feathers. To me, that's what I think makes me think of a dream catcher, but I'm not too sure. And it has a little rope here. You can see that it's hanging. And it's such a pretty image. So when I first saw it, I knew I had to have it. It just makes me think of kind of spring, summer. And I don't know, I just really love this image. I'm just going to pick up the plastic real quick just to help it kind of even out a bit. As you can probably see, it's really furled up. Just kind of help it a bit. Try to help the canvas release a little. And have it straighten. And there you go. Well, actually, sorry. Let me just curl it up a bit. Because this one is a little bit more. And there you go. As you can see, it's strained out a bit. I really love doing that. Oh, and you can actually see it a little bit better since a lot of the creases have kind of evened out. As I said, you can see it kind of makes me think of a dream catcher. But then this kind of looks like a reflection, so it might be a mirror as well. But whichever case, I really love this image. It's so cute. It's so pretty. And I love the blue background. Like I said, it makes me think of a sky. And some information about the painting. It's a W1513. And it is a 20 by 30. It is 14 colors. Yeah, I can see it. A majority of it is blue. Even in the little mirror reflection, it's blue as well. Ooh, I really love this painting. And I really love these flowers. It's just so cute. And I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it more clearly. The nice little mystery dream catcher is more your style. Mostly, I really love the flowers, so I'm a big fan of it. And this is the last painting. And this is the painting I was so excited when I first received it, because the first time I tried to purchase, it was sold out. So the second time, luckily, I was able to get it, and I really love this painting. And same thing, standard kit. As I said, they always have you covered. And these are the diamonds. Oh, these are also Ziploc packed. I don't usually get a lot of diamonds that have them this way, but I really like that. Appreciate that. And this is all the colors. Oh, I love this oceany blue. That's what it makes me think of summer every time I see this blue. I love all these blue tone colors. The dark blue, the random little orange hidden there. I'm a big fan of that. Oh, I love these colors. And this is the image. I fell in love when I saw it, other than it being blue, because blue is my favorite color. I love the sky. I love the little swirls, the little artifact of it. And it has a little mountain range here and a little castle that you can kind of see. A little lake here at the bottom, which is reflecting everything above. I love this image when I first saw it. And when I saw it was a 20 by 30, I was really excited as well, because I kind of was hoping it wasn't like a large painting. Don't get me wrong, I love large paintings, but at the time I really wanted something that was a little bit smaller. So luckily I was able to find this size. I've seen this image in a larger one, so as I said, since I was fortunate to find it in this size, I had to pick it up. Oh my goodness, I really love it. And you can see there's kind of like a little city on the kind of the bank of the little lake, and the reflection of the sky. Oh my goodness, I love this. I'm going to say this a whole bunch of times. I really love this image. As you can see, let me get it all the way to the bottom. Oh, I really love that. And some information about the painting. It is WZ1717 and is a 20 by 30 and is 15 colors. And fortunately for this one, the symbols are all letters. Oh, I love that. Makes it so much easier whenever you just pick it up. You don't have to worry about, oh, is any of them a number? Any of that. And I really love when they did that. My apologies. I actually didn't check with the other two paintings. I believe their legends are kind of the same as well. I've been catching a lot of TEMU paintings showing the legends all in one symbol. So for this painting as well, all of them are the letter symbols. Big fan of that. And for the smaller one, usually 20 by 20s, they have them in numerical. No, this one as well. Oh, hey, I think I should buy a lottery ticket. I never get this. And they're all letters as well. So, oh, that makes it so much easier whenever I start painting on these. I'm a big fan of that. Sorry, I do look at the legends because I've been catching myself sometimes. There's a number that'll be snuck in. Throws me completely off because sometimes I'll just be looking at the symbol quickly while I'm working on it. So I'm so glad that the legends are coming this way. And as well for this painting, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it more clearly. The nice little blue sky with a lake is more your style. And that is all I have for today. I just had 3 paintings with a smaller order. I probably stated it before. I've been making smaller orders just so that I can try to get more kind of different styles of paintings out there that I've been picking up from TEMU. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, I'll ask if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps the channel, really helps me go out there in the algorithm, and really allows an opportunity for everyone to see these wonderful paintings. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.